Hi everyone, my name is Kunal Sethi. Today we are at our experience center in Noida. So today we have 3 beautiful products. All are to be used as a cleaner for inside, but we'll find more info on these. So for this info, we have a special guest who's fly down from Italy. His name is Reggie. He's the master detailer for Labocosmetica. Let me welcome him. Reggie.
Thanks so much for having me.
Pleasure, man. So Reggie, I've been using Labocosmetica, and I like the company because every time we try to develop new products and keep improving them. So now we have 3 products. All 3 are used for the interiors. And if you can elaborate and explain us why we have 3 and what is the purpose of each product.
Okay, I'll start with the simplest one. The one that's closest to the name that we have is namely DERMA Cleaner. The liquid bottle is this one. This is our version of a leather cleaner, specially designed to clean the leathers in its concentrated pure form. Very strong, very powerful, yet very safe for the leather. Possibility for you to dilute it 1-to-1 to get a little bit more of a gentle cleaning going on.
All right.
We are looking into revising the entire leather cleaning system because we find more and more technology out that there are different ways to clean leather, especially with the abrasion part. So it's time for us also to adapt the cleaner, and for that we made also DERMA 2.0 to meet during the COVID era the viral and antibacterial demands of the ISO or the UN, I forgot which name it was, but there's a lot of certifications going on. To be used on all types of leather. I got the question this week from one of the guys, can I also use it on the armrest and everything? Basically, yes, you can do it, but it's mainly specified for leather.
And it can clean like dirty seats? Or
yes, extremely dirty seats. Yes,
you said the dilution is 1:1.
1:1 for gentle cleaning, pure when you need something to have some very dirty seats to get clean.
So particularly dedicated for leather seats?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go to the next.
The second one is DUCTILE, what I like to call the APC of APCs.
Best APC, trust me, I've been using this. And even I agree with Reggie that it's the best APC in the world.
It's the only APC without a but.
Yes.
And without a but meaning that the rest are almost all APCs, almost all purpose cleaner. Because they say you can clean anything, but you have to either wipe down, don't let dry, or any rule to make this product or an APC work better. What we focused on was to create something that is very alkaline but does not have any caustic ingredients. So that the product will work for you instead of against you. When it dries in, when it dries up, or when it dries onto the surface, there will be no extra damage or nightmares or extra work to remove them.
So no residue, you're saying?
Exactly. We have a very wide variety of applications, from the inside of the engine bay to the wheels, to the bottom of the car, to the inside of the car. So even in some cases where DERMA is too gentle and we have extremely dirty leather, it might be a better idea to move to an APC just to cut the working time in half and the reduction of the chemical costs.
It's like you're explaining like compounds, you know, we have heavy cut, medium cut, low cut. So similarly, if you have very, very dirty seats, a very old car, maybe 7, 5, 8 years old, very dirty, then you're saying Ductile is the right way to go.
Cuts like a knife is what Franco always says, one of our ambassadors from Italy. It is the only APC approved by Alcantara to indeed clean Alcantara, and approved by them to be suitable for that delicate surface that we call Alcantara.
So Alcantara, to me, just explain in simple language, we see some seats which have this finish like a microfiber finish. That's called Alcantara. So it's approved by the company that it is safe, and when you clean it, you don't basically generally with other chemicals, you make it rough, the silkiness, that feeling, it goes away, but with this, it's approved. So this is a special USP about this product.
Now, last but not least, is the Omnia. And the Omnia means everything, I believe. This is the brainchild of one of our ambassadors that is also behind DUCTILE and Glico, namely Franco Lazzarotti. Franco has 3 daughters, I believe, and he calls this his son, Il Figlio di Frank, or the son of Franco. The reason for the product of this was that everything in APC range can clean. But we were looking for something that also can have some restoring capabilities. Now, I'm not saying that it's restoring capabilities in the line of putting on a dressing, but this product has specialized surfactants that actually penetrate in the rough surfaces that we find on the inside of the car. We see many structured surfaces like the armrests, the plastics, they have structure inside. The Omnia is designed to clean anything on the inside of the interior. When you're working, you could call it an interior APC.
So you're saying it can clean textile also?
It can clean textile, it can clean aluminium, carbon, screens without any hesitation. It reduces the surface tension. It's one of my favorite products to clean the delicate cockpit plastics. Those plastics are very easily to scratch and very difficult.
We can tell people that for vintage cars, this is the right product.
Yes, it removes the previous surfactants from the surface, so a faded plastic turns into black plastic, making the assumptions that we put on a dressing, but the specialized surfactants in there are helping the plastic regenerate to its former glory without putting on a dressing. Dressing, of course, is a personal choice that you can always put on, but Omnia was designed to go for the inside and everything on the inside.
Fantastic. I hope this video is informative. If you want more great content, check out our other videos, our playlist at our channel, The Detailing Mafia.